Hello and welcome to Junk Journal July for 2023. My name's Leigh, I'm from Australia, and during the month of July I'm going to create something in my little accordion journal using the prompts provided. These are going to be quick projects that I hope will motivate and inspire you to do something in your own journal every day. This is an open challenge hosted by Meg from Meg Journals. Okay, let's see what today's prompt is and get creative. Hello everyone, it's Leigh here. I'm so happy that you've joined me today for number 11 of the Junk Journal July challenge. So the prompt for today is paper samples. So what I decided to do is to use a little file folder that didn't make it into whatever project I was doing at the time. So I'm basically using a lot of scraps in this challenge. I love the colour of this paper, and I have used a couple of other pieces of it in other pages, which you would have probably seen by now. And I thought what I'd make is like a little flip up paper sample flyer type thing. So I've just written on there onto the tab of that paper samples, and I'm going to stick my paper samples in 2 columns down this little folder, and then I'm going to hinge it onto my page. It's funny how when you're doing these things, you know, you get so far into it and you think, oh, it needs a bit more and it needs a bit more. But in hindsight, while I've been editing, I thought, why didn't I just stop where I was? But no, I had to keep putting more and more on. I think I might have overloaded this one a little bit. But anyway, there's lots of different pieces of paper, so lots of samples. And these are just stuff, papers that I had on my desk. At the beginning of this challenge, I collected a whole heap of things that I knew I wanted to use throughout the little journal and on the days. These are just some of the scraps, and most of these things have made an appearance in previous pages. Here's my completed project. Hope you enjoyed seeing me make this little flip up paper sample. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, or ask a question in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers from Australia. Hooroo!